There is a lot of science now coming out on the way that pleasure and enjoyment affect our biochemistry. The luscious sensual experience of what embodiment can be, there's an actual biochemical corollary. So singing and humming are ways to also boost this chemistry. Nitric oxide, it's also a molecule that is just recently discovered in the 90s, really very much connected to slowing the aging process. And sometimes actually, I think I give play as a prescription, right? It's like fake it till you make it. If you forgot how, find a way to move your body while doing some kind of interactive communal play activity, and that is the fastest track, I would say, to getting back in the body and remembering, right, remembering where it is that we actually prosper and can find the wherewithal to have some kind of surplus to offer out to the world, which really ultimately is what satisfies our souls the most, really to be able to support and provide for one another. For information on our more extended trainings, which offer continuing education credits for providers of all kinds, email us at practices@flowismedicine.com and be sure to follow us on social media.